Hello kids! Welcome to our lesson and let's learn a new song and draw something very nice. So today we're going to need paper, brush, water, pencil, felt pens and paints. Okay, and hands. Alright, let's paint 3 winter characters. So we need our hands. First, put the hand like this. Take the paper and trace the hand with the pencil. Yeah, trace the hand with the pencil like this, okay? Trace the hand with the pencil. We're going to make a reindeer. Okay, so let's do that. Trace your hand. Trace your hand. Okay. So, something like this. Okay, good. Now, put your hand like this and trace it one more time. Yeah, trace it one more time here. So, trace it one more time here. Yeah. Trace it one more time. Okay, so like this. Yeah, trace your hand like this and trace your hand one more time like this. Okay, one more time. One more character. Okay, great, very good. Now we're going to paint something. So the first character is a reindeer. Okay, take your brush, take your water, and we need some brown color. Brown paint, yeah? Brown paint, brown, yeah? Take some brown color and let's make a reindeer. So, let's make a reindeer. Let's color our reindeer. 1, 2, okay. 2 more. Reindeer. So this is our reindeer. Okay, like this. Now we will color the face. Yes, the face. Let's make a red nose. So we need some red color. And we make the nose, yes? The nose is red, yeah? Red nose. Let's make the eyes. So let's make the eyes. 1, 2, yeah, 2 eyes. Okay, and a smile, yes, a smile, 2 eyes and a smile. And let's color the face and let's make it beige, yeah? So we need to mix. Okay, we need to mix some brown color and some white color, yes? Brown and white make beige color. So let's make beige face of our reindeer. Beige face. Beige face. Okay. So, this is our reindeer. 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 Okay. Nose, eyes, and mouse. Yes, mouse. Let's make it darker. Okay, so this is our reindeer, reindeer, reindeer. Very good. Okay, now let's make a snowman. Yes, a snowman, snowman. So this one will be a snowman. So first let's draw a hat. Yes? Let's draw a hat. Yeah, a hat. A hat. So the hat will be black. Yeah, the hat will be black. Let's make a black hat. So take some black paint, and let's make a black hat. Yes. So black hat, black hat. Okay. Some more black color. Okay. Black hat. So the black hat is ready. Now let's make the eyes. Yes, 2 black eyes. 1, 2. Yes, 2 eyes. 2 eyes. The mouse. Yes, the mouse. The mouse. Let's make the mouse. Yes, let's make the mouse. The mouse. Let's make the nose. Yes. So what color is the nose? The nose is orange. Let me take my orange felt pen. And let's draw the mouse. Yeah. So the mouse is the carrot. Okay, so this is the mouse, and let's draw the cheeks. The cheeks are going to be, I hope, pink. Let me find my pink felt pen, and let's draw the cheeks. Yeah, the cheeks are pink. 1 and 2. 2 pink cheeks. Yeah, 2 pink cheeks. Okay, very good. And the last one is Santa Claus. Okay, so let's draw Santa Claus. So first we're going to color the face. So let's mix some brown and white paint. Yes. So the face is beige. Yes, the face is beige. So let's draw the eyes. So the eyes, yes, the eyes. Then let's draw the nose. The nose. Let's draw the mustache. Yes, the mustache. Okay. The lips. And the beard. Yeah, the beard. Okay. And let's color the face. So the face is beige. Yes, the face is beige. Let's color the face of our Santa. So this is the face. The face is beige. Now let's take our pink felt pen and draw the cheeks. The cheeks are pink. Yeah, let's draw the cheeks. One cheek, another cheek. And let's make the nose pink, yes? He's cold. Brrr, brrr, brrr. Yeah, he's cold. So his nose is pink too. And the lips are pink. So, let's see. Nose, eyes, cheeks, and lips. Yeah, mustache and the beard. Yeah, the beard. Okay, now let's make the hat. So, take your pencil. Let's draw the white part of the hat. Yes. The white part of the hat. The white part of the hat. This is the pom-pom. And this part is red. Yes, red. So let's take some red paint. Take your brush. Take some red paint. And let's make a red hat. A red hat. Okay, a red hat. A red hat. Okay, very good. So this is a reindeer, this is a snowman, and this is Santa. Now we're going to sing a very simple song. So the song says, hello reindeer, hello reindeer. Repeat please. Yes, hello reindeer, very good. Then, hello snowman, hello snowman. Very good. And hello Santa. Hello Santa. Very good. Happy holidays. Happy holidays. Very good. Let's sing together. Hello reindeer, hello reindeer, hello snowman, hello snowman, hello Santa, hello Santa, happy holidays, happy holidays. Very good. Hope you liked our lesson and let's see next time. Bye bye. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye.